may austerity measures po ba for the education sector? Or is there an order for you for all schools to shift to solar energy or whatnot? Because we noticed na in this school naka-solar na sila.
Well, yes, there's a directive for all government institutions to reduce 10% of their energy expenditure. But many have already taken the initiative. Kung titingnan ninyo, solar was already becoming very, very popular dahil nga it's free energy. Ang one time lang ang bayaran, you buy the actual solar panels, you install it, minsanan lang yun. So that has already been, but now we will accelerate that so that the load on our power plants is going to be lessened. The other thing is the power plants, yung kanilang raw material, especially the coal. We were trying to move away from coal, but because of this crisis, we'll open up again the importation, the buying of coal para hindi makulangan ang ating power plant, para sapat ang ating magiging power supply for especially in all parts of the Philippines. And so far, we are all right. Okay naman ang ano natin. Ang supply natin as for raw material for power plants, we have a sufficient supply. So we are just watching, but we are tuloy-tuloy, hindi namin tinitigilan araw-araw. We are talking to mga kaibigan natin mga bansa na meron silang supply na pwede natin kunin, kaya natin bilhin. We have already secured yung mga stockpile ng Pilipinas na nasa ibang bansa ay pinermiso na namin na iuwi na para magamit natin, para pahabain yung ating stockpile. Imbis na sabihin natin 30 days, pahabain natin ng 2-3 buwan. And that's what we are working on so that halos sana matapos na yung gera at habang may gera pa rin, normal pa rin ang magiging buhay ng ating lalo na yung mga manggagawa.